Clap, 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 clap. All the best.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh. I hope you all doing good. So today is my last day in L&D. So after completing of 1.5 years, this journey comes to an end. So थोड़ा mixed emotion है. अच्छा भी लग रहा है that I'm going to feeling bad that I have to leave this organization. But luckily I was working from home because I hate Mumbai traffic. But sometimes we used to visit to the office, so it will help more team bonding. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कहीं पे पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है विच इज़ टेकन फ्रॉम माई वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट मूवी ये जवानी है दीवानी. सो टुडे हैव टू विजिट टू द ऑफिस, सबमिट माई लैपटॉप एंड ऑल द एसेसरीज एंड द ID card which I have got from them. So just came from the gym, have taken a shower, have to leave now. I think it will take 1.5 hours to reach there. It's to L&T airoli in Mindspace. So I don't know कितना शूट कर पाऊंगा due to the security reasons. So see you there. In non-peak hours also you will find this traffic. Metro work is going on for many years but still haven't completed, and God knows when will it complete. I think this is the first office of LTI in Mumbai which is based in Powai. This whole building is for LTI. This is the beautiful Powai lake where people come to hang out. In this lake I think there are more than 10 to 20 crocodiles. In Mindspace area, you will find many top IT companies if anyone wants to apply, be it L&D, Accenture, eClerx, and many more. Nearby, there is a Times of India office is also there. This is the big entrance foyer, and this is the waiting area also. This is the small playing zone where there is a pool, TT or carom. You can find all these things here. This is the beautiful office. One small hut is made here. You can sit there. Small artificial pool also made, and it has LTI logo. And this is the beautiful canteen area where we used to do lunch, hang out whenever we visit to the office. Mindspace is made so beautifully where there is a multiple number of seating areas where you can do a small birthday celebration also, and it's too photogenic. Here there is a box cricket playing area in between this jungle, and I have seen there is a subway also. In this campus, lot of seating area you will find. And this is building number 8 where we used to sit in a third floor. We'll miss this building, a lot of memories are there. This is the parking area which is very huge. I used to park my scooty here only. This is the building number 1 where IT team sits, where we submit all the assets like laptop, headphone, and here HR office is also there, so you can submit your ID card also. सो आईडी सबमिट कर दिया, लैपटॉप सबमिट कर दिया, डॉक्यूमेंट्स में तो कुछ था नहीं ऐसा सबमिट करने के लिए, मतलब मुझे भी यहाँ पे आके पता चला। एंड सब हो गया, एक छोटा सा अभी फेयरवेल है, तो अभी उसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं, तो बाकी की बातें घर पे आके करता हूँ फिर। अभी मिक्स इमोशन है, सो या
कोई आया ही नहीं थैंक यू फॉर दिस।
ये आप ही पे कर रहे हो।
ये भी रखूँगा, ये भी रखूँगा। थैंक यू।
क्लैप 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 क्लैप। ऑल द बेस्ट।
गॉड अभी टेस्ट करो।
हैप्पी फेयरवेल। हैप्पी फेयरवेल।
अभी टेस्ट करो, बस हो गया। अच्छा बना।
एंड हियर कम्स तुषार स्पॉटलाइट।
मैं क्या करूं भाई, मैं स्पॉटलाइट कैसे भाई?
दे दो। तुम फिर चक्कर में खा नहीं पाओगे।
अरे अभी बहुत है।
I just want to say thank you to each one of you whoever is watching from LTI. It was very good experience working professionally and personally to know you all. काफ़ी मज़ेदार वक्त था। काम के अलावा भी मूवी, लाइव टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करना, एंड जब भी ऑफिस विजिट करते थे तो टीटी, पूल और कैरम खेलना, एंड क्रिकेट जो एक ही बार खेला था। होप वी विल कनेक्ट इन द फ्यूचर ऑल्सो, विल रिमेंबर दिस मोमेंट फॉर एवर। आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू लर्न क्लाउड ऑन दिस जर्नी, एंड लकीली माई मैनेजर्स वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एंड दे वर वेरी हेल्पफुल. Thank you for all the guidance, and thank you LTI for giving me this opportunity. If I got a chance, I will definitely join the LTI again. Just want to say thank you from the core of my heart, and thank you and goodbye.